Hello guys, see here. So today we're going to check out ILLIT Do the Dance official music video. So I have checked out the teasers. First I was confused. I thought it will be 90s theme, but after seeing the second teaser, no, it will be ILLIT theme. But before we start the video, the guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe to our channel for more ILLIT related content. And with that, let's go 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Yvonne looks so pretty. I think this might be in Ador's new group. Like, this is what I think, guys. Like, when hype give new faces, I think. Okay, this is kind of reminds me of like 90s thing. Just look at them, they're so pretty. You know what's so pretty? What? Oh my god. What? Okay, girls, I love the outfit though. Oh my god. Also, the scenery, like the first shirt, is super pretty. Okay, this is the part I was waiting for. Oh, the instrument is really like 90s style instrument with really modern aspect of song. The visuals are crazy. I really... Okay, I will say it at the end. Okay, this chorus, I don't like it much. I don't know why. I love this one. Oh, I think this is the chorus. That was the pre-chorus. I don't like the pre-chorus. Oh, Juan is so pretty. Okay, this CGI was so bad. This is so bad. Like, this is really giving me 90s CGI vibe. Oh, that's the end. Okay, here's the thing. See, I love the song. It was really catchy. Like that's an ad. So I think I will give it 7.5 out of 10. See, I don't like the pre-chorus at all. I don't know why. I just didn't vibe with the pre-chorus. It was cute, see, but not my cup of tea. I hope you will understand that. There is no malicious intent to it. I just don't like the pre-chorus. I love the chorus though. I really like that cutesy part. That was really cute. And also I think this song, yeah, it's a unique song. Yeah, but there was something missing. I cannot pinpoint about it, but there was something missing from me. But yeah, I do enjoyed it. But anyways, guys, do subscribe to my channel for more ILLIT related content. I know it is a little disappointing, but let's wait and see for their future activities. But for today, that will be it. Bye bye.